Some viewers may find the following video disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised.
What's good, guys? My name is Darian Taylor. Some of you may know me as ArtIzLife. I am the videographer and the producer of Straight Outta High Point, starring Alexander A. Matt McQueen. Throughout the show, we help bring awareness. There's a lot of black history that lies within the city of High Point, and we just want to help bring it to the forefront. Now, I usually explore the city along the side of AMAC, but this time I had an adventure of my own.
Chavis is the author historian for High Point, so he's going to be speaking after AMAC. So once AMAC does his presentation, then Mr. Chavis will give us a history about Washington Street, bring us up to current day, and then of course we the future.
You're talking about High Point back in the day being Black Wall Street.
And that's what me and A-Man was talking about. He was like, he been here his whole life and this stuff he don't even really know.
Look, do you know that?
And we just now finding it out at this age, you know what I'm saying?
Langston Hughes.
Yeah.
Zora Neale Thurston. Martin Luther King. Right here at First Baptist Church. In High Point. You see what I'm saying? It's so much positive. It's so much stuff that we're just not aware of. And then when we come together, we have people, rappers like A-Man, that come out and is speaking truth and uplifting people and letting them see that it's some good in the hood.
What?
You hear me?
That's my... You better give me a high five.
While I was in High Point for the Unity Fest, I ran into a guy by the name of Ja, and he took me to the house that the John Coltrane grew up in, and to my surprise, it was still in good condition. John Coltrane was an American jazz saxophonist and composer. He also grew up in High Point and attended William Penn High School as a teenager. But without any further ado, let's take a closer look. John's gonna lead the way.
John Coltrane.
The Coltrane's residence.
John Coltrane.
Still got a car in the back.
This is John Coltrane.
Dang, dog, it boarded up. Oh, wow, wow. Dang, that's crazy. How do you explain that? That's crazy. It's a f***ing record in the bushes, bro. Yeah, it's a record right there. It's a f***ing record.
Yeah, it is, yeah.
How ironic is that? Dang. It'd be crazy if it was one of his records. That'd be like some legendary shit. This is the John Coltrane. This is his house.
Longer than he lived in any city in his life.
Dang, yo.
He grew up here, elementary, middle, and high school here. His mom's dad, his granddad built this house.
Crazy.
He lived in this house.
Dang,
All
yo.
throughout high school.
And they trying to,
We
what?
gotta get the front. We gotta get that. Boarded up windows, man. Like, that shit's crazy, yo.
It is, man. This whole little, I see one across, another band across the street. It almost feel like a trend out here. Dang, yo, this man used to live in his crib. You could low-key still feel the energy. I wonder where his bedroom was. That'll be so crazy.
Man, he a good dude, dog.
Like he represents.